AgRATI stands for the Agricultural Risk Assessment Tool for Insurances, and within the AgRATI project we work on how we can use crop model and crop model outputs for insurance purposes. 2 points when we look at the effects of a rising temperature. One point is that this also increases the evapotranspiration, so the water availability of plants would be reduced. And the other point is that the likelihood for extreme precipitation events as well as droughts increases, both not very beneficial for crop development. The AMPLIFY model is the tool which we use in the AgRATI project, and it is basically a statistical crop yield model, but it also includes process-based components. We at PIC focus on the crop yield assessment, and this is one part of the bigger insurance business model. So there are the farmers, of course, which should be indemnified by the index insurance, and then we have the insurances itself. So we differentiate between the direct insurances and the reinsurances, and to make an assessment when and where crop yield losses occur, both the farmers and the insurances need an independent crop yield assessment, which is often the claim adjuster, but if it is too costly in countries for instance in sub-Saharan Africa or in India, then indexes are used for index insurances, and we at PIC calculate and work on developing a better index for crop yield insurances. So we have developed a scientific tool at PIC which works quite well, but I think it's important to bring this really to an implementation, and therefore it's important to engage and to collaborate with insurance companies and with the Ministry of Agriculture and so on to get a better understanding what are their needs and what are their demand for implementing such a product. Crop yield insurances for sub-Saharan Africa started with precipitation indexes, and what we learned in a couple of years is that precipitation is not the crop yield in the end. Therefore we are working on designing a better crop yield index.